Headphones. Okay, I'm streaming already on OBS, but I need to edit my stream. Ah, actually it is okay. Oh my god. I'm done. I'm done. Oh, is it good? Oh my god. Oh my god. My live on YouTube. It's all right. I cannot believe. I don't know. Maybe this would be bad wrong advertisement. I'm sorry for 1 millions probably of push notifications that I send. I could not. I'm super stubborn, and if I need, I would send you 1 million of push notifications. And actually, I saw that one guy and one girl unsubscribed from me, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It's just like, okay, without making any bad advertisement, have no trust anymore for Streamlabs. I can only say there were these guys called Meld, saved my life, saved my stream. Super good. I will need to look into how to make it. And they're having they have some kind of a cool effects in there. Let's take a look. Oh my god. But so good. Oh, great. Good. So let me take a look on what is kind of effects I have. Oh wow. Okay. This is cooler than I expected. Wow, 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 wow. What I was doing with Streamlabs today, I like this kind of stuff. Maybe this or this. Oh la la la, dee dee da, dee dee da. Oh my god! Now I have a very good mood. Oh, finally. Okay, what? Oh, this is like oh. Okay, let's do a little bit of this. Today we're gonna do chess stream. Let's take a look. So I actually did a whole redesign part. Oh, I mean, look at my face and it feels like I have no hair on this side. Let me see how does it look like. Okay, it look more presentable. Great, 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 great. So now I will move it. I just Streamlabs with all this audio stuff. Fail, really fail. Okay, getting back to normal. If I can make it here. Oh, I don't know what I changed in there. Now it's gonna be lower, now it's gonna be bigger sound. Mic voice, so I don't know what does it mean. Well, there are some stuff. Anyway, it doesn't matter. I feel like the sound is very good, everything is quite good. Let me get back and try to. Wow, I had so many views on the very beginning with this microphone stuff. Now it's all got broken. Everybody gonna unfollow me because I failed my microphone. There is no mercy. People on the internet, they not forgive anything. I'm not just artificially. Oh, someone give me thumbs up. Thank you. After I suffered so much. I literally was like, I was getting hot already. All my coffee got spoiled. Just because I was dealing with this microphone stuff. Like, such a betrayal from Streamlabs. Like, really, such a betrayal. It's very, very bad. I didn't like at all. I'm probably gonna delete it. Like this meld application, way more better. I can make myself bigger. Also, maybe I can make age light, but also I can do this kind of stuff. Like, yes, I managed to do it. Ah, no, it's not working. So that I can show some kind of animation. Oh well, whatever. Ah, it was an OBS. Maybe now I can do it in here. So edge light, I don't need. I need to get a studio light. And for Meld Studio, I can make this reaction. Yay! Amazing. Good, great. So let's take a look. Hello. Hello, hello. Oh my God, I was suffering so much just now for all of the configuration. I literally spent like 1 hour only dealing with my microphone. But now it's all good. Now it's all good. People who unfollowed me, follow me back. Like this is not fair. This is not fair. It was not me. It was Streamlabs' fault. I would need to make some kind of another strategy. Anyway, what we are doing today. So this is the game that I have. My cursor is here. Let's take a look. I'm gonna say which branch are we now. I could look. Of course, I know which branch are we now. But the thing is, with the problem game, it's kind of good. We can keep working on this problem game branch because we're going to add more problems. What I will add in here, I want to work on this screen. And I have two more databases, which are, oh my God, which are no solution and one solution. Like this one and this one. Okay, great. So what my plan is, I have, let me open my Figma. Probably with Figma it's gonna be better in here. All right. And here I will say that we need to work. These are the screenshots. Let's work on this one, okay? So I will work on a new screen. Well, let's say it's this one. Which should be a kind of like problem or puzzle for chess. But I'm not sure what is the more official name for chess in English, because in Ukrainian or Russian it's called like tasks, exercises. So here I would ask for ChatGPT new channel. I'm still in stress. Oh my God, like this is stress online. When I was trying to, someone probably is watching me and sending me voice messages. Guys, don't send me voice messages. Send me subscriptions. That's what you need to send me. Okay, so let me see. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT. You can basically see in here. I'm gonna say, right in here. Let's take a look. I'm gonna tell. In chess, there are type of games where we need to solve task slash, I think it's called problems slash task problems exercise. When there are type of games where we need to solve task problem exercise when we have several figures on the board and we can do mat in 1 or 2 or x steps. What is the most common way to call this type of exercises? Let's take a look. So I'm so happy with all my struggles. Someone, when I was on and off, gave me the chess puzzles or tactical puzzles that someone gave me like for my struggles. Thank you so much. So in chess terminology, those exercises are usually called chess puzzles. So basically, I would need to rename my tactical puzzles. Okay, good. So we're gonna call it chess puzzles. I'm gonna make it bigger. All right, and how we need to do? We need to make. I have. So there is already problem part in here. So I'm gonna go and say, okay, yeah, problem game. Can you please rename the on the bottom bar the name from problems? Sounds very bad to call it problems. From problems to the puzzles. Can you please rename on the bottom bar the name from problems to the puzzles? Right? Or puzzle? Let me look on Google Play. Chess taxi puzzles, chess puzzles. Okay, we're gonna call it chess puzzles. I'm checking how other people doing this. All right, let's call it chess puzzles. 2 puzzles. And then I want to see how can I organize it. In Figma, for instance, I have one, is this one problems, right? So find the best move, white to move. So now this says wrong, and I can try working out the way of solution. But I can show solution. Okay, I need to write how many steps for this game I need to execute. Great. Now please, for the current game, make the, now please for the current game, add how to explain it. Find the best move. In puzzles, next to the message whose turn is, add a notification with how many steps we need to do to win the game. Let's call it like this. To win the game. Da-da-dum, da-da-dum, da-da-dum. Can I add a media file? Media source. Should I have some kind in here? Some kind of like stream, Twitch, whatever I have. Oh, this is maybe. Oh, perfect. This is it. Oh, great. I'm gonna make it a little bit slower. Oh, yay. Now we got the music. So what do we have here now? Great. Let's rerun. I should call it puzzle game. Okay, I understand. Okay, consent. This was my consent message for the advertisement. Of course, consent. So this is good. We select the difficulty, puzzles, and now here, 3 moves to win. Okay, great. This is working. So now I just need to start. I need to probably first to design how I want it to get. I see other applications. They do some kind of like way of like progress across the game. Maybe something like journey or stuff, but my game is quite more serious. So I need to understand how to do it. Classic chess analysis. Well, they have an arrow, so I can progress somehow quite a lot with this. Let's take a look. Is it working? Actually, is it? Is it? So, I never know, like I have no, it's very hard ones. So this is hard. How I can do it? I first of all gonna look for some chess icons. For instance, like I want to create some modes in here. Let's take this one for instance, and I'm gonna play hard. It's gonna be black. So it's gonna be find best move. I'm gonna make find best move. Find the best move. And underneath, okay, this should be like this. And underneath, I need to be write down like level. This is just gonna be hard. And this one should be written in red. All right, and I need to get an icon for it. Which icon we gonna get? I'm just looking on free. Well, I can reuse some stuff that I have, right? I can reuse this one, for instance, right? We can do like this. Or I should, how to even show it. Maybe I should show like, maybe by like this element, and I can show how hard the level is, maybe to make some kind of like this. Yeah, I like it. So we're gonna put it in here. Here's gonna be the mode find the best move. Right? Oh, we're gonna do some really cool stuff right now. Then, well, here we're gonna put this is hard. Also should be red. And then this would be we're gonna put this. I'm just designing it. Then we're gonna put, I have some databases, actually I can show you. So the databases, this would be just the way how computer is analyzes and perceives it, the chess position. It's basically chess positions. So this is the database for exercises for, with one step you also do the checkmate, mate. And this one we have no solutions. It's just like hard one, right? So we have with one mate solution. Anyway, so we have this. So we have already one game that I use another database, and I have two more databases generated by professional chess player. Yeah, purely by professional. All right. Why do what's going on? Why I had this balloons going behind me? Something is going on. Right? It's just like this. Yeah. All right. So this is gonna be. Should I put it in a frame? Guess I should. To make something like this. Then I'm gonna make it 30. Tick, tick, tick. We're gonna put it on the top. We're gonna move it in here. This goes a bit down. And it's probably gonna be white but with drop shadow. Should be 0. Cursor is very good with understanding images, so I need to show a proper image to cursor. And maybe I need to add a stroke just a little bit. Right? Like this. Or like this. I don't know. How is it good or not? Stroke, I don't like it. Maybe drop shadow also not that bright. but this probably slightly gray. No, maybe background should be slightly gray, actually. Slightly gray, it's like this. Or should be black. I just can say only one stuff. With all of the progress with artificial intelligence, design is the hardest. Generation of images design. It's just so hard. So hard. The more I promise that I feel like I need to work more on art and drawing and design skill and taste and stuff, because it's just like my first initial design with no shame. I was doing this. I did this application. In my eyes, it was like super beautiful. I was super proud. I was like, wow, I did such a beautiful stuff. Then I gave my app to people to try out, and everybody were just saying that this is so bad, that this is like nothing good you can get from this application. It's just ugly. So just relax and stop it. So I had to remake it, but now it's better. I guess like this design is way better, right? At least I tried. And well, the functionality is also super important. Okay, so we're gonna do it like this. Find the best move. Which levels we're gonna have? This would be hard. This would be, or maybe this figure is way more functional, right? So for hard level, we should use this figure. I'm gonna use like this. Hard. This would be just blue. Which blue? We had some blue. Well, let's do this blue. Or it should be a bit brighter. No, can make a bit brighter, like this. No. All right, this could be medium. What is going on? It should be like this. Oh, come on. Well, this should be like this, hard, medium. And this would be easy. And we're gonna make it green. And I need to add another category, which I want to get like historical or classical, some stuff like this. So this, it's not here. This one should be here. Oops. We put it like this, or it should be here. Well, it's good like if it's here. All right, so now I group it. Just will try, maybe I should make a stroke. No, this is better. Find the best move. Here I will say that this one is one step matte. Mate in one. All right, let's do mate in one. That would be perfect. It could be. This is a perfect icon for easy, because brown is going easy, right? Great. So we're gonna move it like here. Just this one gonna be chess puzzles. All right. Here we're gonna use another icon. Let me find some. Which icon we're gonna use? This one. Mate in one. Like, I'm struggling with design so much. I have no idea why is it. It doesn't look beautiful to me. Ugh. Well, let's keep it like this. Firstly I do, then I probably gonna make my design better. Just like I'm struggling so much with design, I don't know what to do. So anyway, mate in one. What do we have next? Mate in one, and maybe this should be placed up in here, and here we have I had this one. I have an amazing plan. We're gonna use it like, I will call it creative solution. Creative battle. And which I gonna use for creative battle. Let's take a look. I'm gonna also, I need to add for time counter, like to solve with time limits. I'm looking for some icon with handshake. I guess something like this. It's gonna be medium. Come on. Look in here, right? And I will add, just for the future, the one would be a time. Here it's going to be time limit. And here I'm going to add historical battle. Just inventing stuff. So historical battle going to be hard, and time limit going to be also medium. Right, for historical battle I will crown. We'll put a crown with, what kind of crown? Okay, great, we're gonna get this crown. And for time I will use a typical icon of this chess timer, if I will find it. Oh, perfect. Found some. Hey, I don't have any backend in here actually. It's all local, and that's why I called it offline. Because it's too hard. I want to make something easier and quicker to develop and go. So that's what I have. And let's go. We have this one for time limit, right? This is probably the ugliest. Well, maybe it's not looking that bad. When I look, I don't know how to make it better. The design, I'm telling, like, I probably we need to make some kind of new classes of design inspiration or stuff, because I'm telling, it's just crazy to get with AI to get inspiration for a normal design. It got so hard, so hard. I'm building backend for 8100k users currently. Concurrently. Great. This is really great. You know, I checked the very popular chess game. I don't remember exactly the name, but it for sure contained chess name in it. And I entered to the webpage. There were like 500 people, a company for 500 people who worked only on chess mobile game, which is quite crazy. I was very amazed with that only chess game. It's like a big business, and they can make a whole company out of it. Are you working for this company? And historical battle, we have here a crown. Let's put it in here. Great. So it doesn't look good to my taste. I don't know why. I can try out several stuff. But this is not the first time that happened to me. I have no idea how to make a design. And the more I live this life, the more I think that to make a design is super hard, as I say, and most likely I will just at some moment will remake it. But let's try to do this now. I will try at least. Okay, I'm gonna remove drop shadows, or we'll disable it. And what if I will make it like my background, I don't know, like this? It's even look worse. I don't know how to do it. Okay, it's just some time ago I was very good with design, but something happened to me that I'm not that much anymore. So maybe I should move it closer to each other like this, or not. Okay. All right. Good. Well, I will keep it just for now like this. Probably after I will remake it. So this would be our levels. I need to export now all of the icons. And I need to pretty much upload the databases. How I will do it? I will tell to where is my cursor? Okay, I'm gonna make a screenshot of this. Now I want to add more options of the game. So you need to make these changes. First, once user click on the puzzles button on bottom bar, you need to open a new screen and add there for, how much is there? We have 1 2 3 4 5. We had 5. Well, I will say 3 for now. We have 3 buttons, which... Hola desde España, hola desde España. Chicos, no he dicho en español. Hoy, antes de empezar el stream, me pasaron cosas horrorosas, porque yo usaba el Streamlabs, siempre lo que hago. Explico para mis amigos de España. Yo siempre hago streaming en YouTube y siempre hago streaming en Twitch. Streamlabs, después de updatear mi Mac, no pilla el micrófono. Antes pillaba, pero hacía como ruido, y hoy dejó. Es como que cualquier cosa, cualquier input, cualquier output que yo intentaba configurar, no me iba. Es como que no salía sonido. Entonces yo estaba como súper Em, vale, mira, estabas haciendo, sí, pero la app de tarot, ¿cuándo fue? Hace un año, Dios mío, fue, de hecho, ni la tengo publicada porque la denegaron, la app de tarot. Em, pues sí, yo estaba hoy, aún llevo con el estrés de todo lo que me pasó con micrófono y dije, a la mierda este Streamlabs, porque lo que me han dicho hoy me han dicho me han hecho hoy una mierda porque tú estás probando en Streamlabs hacer récord de tu vídeo antes de empezar el stream para ver si funciona. No me funcionaba cuando hago recording desde mi ordenador sin stream online, aprieto el botón para hacer stream online y ya en stream no me funciona nada. Era horroroso. Pero ahora, mira, Meld Studio, yo lo descargué, es súper bien, maravilloso. Yo no puedo quejar. Vale, now I want to add more option to the game, so you need to make these changes. Once user click on the puzzles button on bottom bar, you need to open a new screen and add their 3 button with the icons and name. The name we will have find the best move. Comma. Made in one. Comma. And creative battle. Dot I added the corresponding icons for these modes, and I really will now create. So export, so would be find right move. This would be export SVG. This would be made in one, and this would be SVG creative battle. Great, we have it. Now I need to edit. New vector. We have creative battle. New. We have made in one. And we have new. Find right move. Great. Hace muchos meses. Sí, vale. Y what we have more? We have here. Okay. I need to give this creative battle. Then we have made in one. And here, find the right move. Great. 2. On each button, you need to add a level icon. Use which one we had? We have those one in here. So on Android Studio we have a bishop figure, horse figure, no, knight figure. We have pawn figure. Is this correct one? Okay, add. Yes. Right. I'm gonna use, on each button you need to add a level icon. Use already existent icons of for easy, but make the icon smaller and green, which is the color. Where is it? It's I'm sure I'm gonna remake it, this design. I'm sure 100%. At least I try green, this color. I copied, no? What? This. Also, we have rook and queen. Okay. For hard level, and make the icons smaller and color, which was red. Let's take this. And I need a rook. This one. Right? Is this one? Yes. For medium level, also make it smaller and also and use color this one. Point. Check on the screenshot that the description of the levels should be below the title, chess puzzles, and each button should have an icon in the left top corner, like on the screenshot. And also please assign it is find the best move hard, mate in one step easy. I don't know if that's easy, just say creative battle, medium dot. And step number 3 for the find the best move, please, once user click on it, run the current puzzle game just as it is. We already have it on the board, on the app. Don't change the game for now. Boom, let's see if it's gonna work. Oh my god, happy 8th of March. I am surprised. Like, first of all, I speak Ukrainian. First of all. Second of all, it's time to block you. So annoying, like really. 8th of March, and I got today like so annoying messages from random, I don't even know who is this, but come on. Come on, take a look on my Instagram. You write into a wrong person, like a little bit of a brain you can use would not be hard, right? But apparently no. This is like very interesting that some people, they just cannot grasp about their own intellectual capabilities. They are not even doubting, like no doubts. They have no doubts. You know, my cat also has no doubts. She's just like so sure. This is saying to us about something. God, so annoying. Unbelievable. But it's all right. Gonna outlive them. I think they're gonna degrade. All right, let's see. Also, I started to do my Ukrainian YouTube. Let's take a look. How is it working? Maybe I should grab some time to make another video afterwards. Let's take a look. No, it's just like it was very annoying guy. Like wrote me in Cyrillic, "Be a good girl," and I'm saying like, oh my god, so annoying. Like, like it's totally like it's just so funny to me. Today is 8th of March, and is just proving himself that we need to celebrate this day, right? And it's like there is a girl that not posting anything online except how I do my applications, and also we are doing a chess game today. The fuck? Like it's a no brain, like literally. Ay, so funny. Oh my god. All right. Let's go. We already got something. Great. Let's take a look. Now it's gonna probably not work, fail, etc., but eventually we're gonna get what we need. Great. Consent. Puzzles. It's pretty much as I designed it. I need to say the truth. It's pretty much what I actually did. Let's try the best moves. I find the best move. Oh, wait, look, I found the best move. Yeah, solution complete. Checkmate. Great. Next. And here, mate in one step coming soon, and creative battle coming soon. Okay, now I need to add, always suffering from design. I'm gonna go in here. Can you please make the buttons with, how do you even call these buttons? Best, well, with chess puzzles. Can you please make the buttons with chess puzzles with rounded corners and a bit of drop shadow? Let's take a look if it's gonna work. Okay, I have this beautiful, oops. So these are Ukrainian candies, my favorite. And I just collected them into my box. And I wanted to enjoy today. I was like, oh, I'm gonna put my coffee, I'm gonna put my candies, and I will enjoy. But Streamlabs spoiled it all for me. And I didn't enjoy pretty much anything. So now we're supposed to get a drop shadow, even though that here I removed the drop shadow, it doesn't matter. Let's try to run it. So my plan, what I want to do next, is that if I have this stuff in my database, in here, no, not in here. Where is my, in here, for instance, right? This all could be little games, and I could track if users solve them or not, because it's pretty much a lot, right? Or in here, it's pretty much more, like a huge amount. So good. Well, chess is just amazing game, like really so good. And what I gonna do, I will try to create like a one button per each. I'm not sure if that's possible, but I will do it. So I will, let me see if it's the drop shadow worked. Is it good? How does it look? Well, it's not the worst, right? It's quite good. Actually, I think I like this more. It's not working. My scroll is not working like this. So I like with one row more, probably. Great, I'm gonna say, commit the changes. Now I want to make another screen. Suffering with design always. This doesn't matter. I kind of like, this design could be good. It could be great. But for some reason, when I play it, it's not that good. So I don't know. All right, so now I will delete this stuff. We will delete this stuff and we will delete this stuff. So here I will put find the best move. No, find the best move. All right. And I want to make like a grid, like a list of all of the possible options, but he would need to edit the database for it. So how to do it? Maybe I can use this icon or this icon. Actually, this is a very good one, and I'm not using it in, wait. Something creative is gonna happen. I will tell Tripper one is alright. Make it like this. Tick, tick. Well, something like this. I don't know if I can create any kind of name for each one. Should probably no. Probably it's going to be too much. Well, we can keep it as an option. But what I can say, I need to find a done icon, or actually I had it somewhere. I had it already for calm loop. Where is my calm loop? In here, right? It's in here. It is in here. We're gonna reuse it. I like it. The good point of doing the same applications again and again and again is that eventually I don't need to design anymore that much. That's why I'm struggling so much with design. Okay, what about this? What if I'm gonna put it in here? Design. This is gonna be more plop. And this would be white and more bold. Or should be black. And like this. Oh, no, like this is good. Oh, great, no? We know. All right. No, not PNG. I need SVG. I will call it task of DB. Right? And this one we're gonna call task done. All right, great. Great. Now I will say now please let's make the next thing. Could you please add another step for each game, for each for each puzzle type? Let's start with find the best move. And you need to make the next. Each game, and in DB we have a lot, you need to represent as an icon in I'm writing badly, I guess. I need to write something like I'm gonna make like this. Once a user taps it, we need to open a new screen with icons. I've already added those, right? This one with icons. Each icon represents one game from DB, and once user clicks on one of these icons, we show this game. if user managed to solve it, we mark this icon on a top with another icon, which is this one. No, this task of DB. Okay, copy. This one is task of DB. So task of DB. And this should be task done. Like on the screenshot. And also what I do, so I click here. Okay, and also during the game, if a user is winning or play next, we just randomly show one of the DB positions, but if eventually a user manages to solve it, we still show this with my icon on the board. User can replay the game. Let's go. It should work. Whew. I started, I'm so proud with me because I started and nothing was working, and now everything is working. So good. Let's go, let's have a look how if it's gonna work. Actually, I will gladly publish an update. Oh my god, today I published one update. Today I published one update on Google Play with redesign, and it's working. So now I'm gonna publish one more. It's not that bad design, right? It's all right. Maybe I should move this one to the bottom. Maybe. Let's see. How many songs today I sang for Streamlabs to work? And I became a big hater of Streamlabs, actually. Let's take a look. And then we would need to include database inside. And then I need to put my databases inside. You're gonna take me here. I'm gonna take him here. All right, done. Let's take a look. So, find the best move. Wrong. Wrong. Show solution. All right, next. 3 moves to win. White to move. Yay, I did it. So now this one should be marked as green. Oh, that's how you do it. No, it's not gonna work. Look, I just won. I just solved one game, and the green icon that you placed on the top is dislocated. Can you please fix it? Maybe he put some kind of stuff in the logs. It's gonna be easier for him. Chuk. No. All right. Check how bad is it on the screenshot. Great. Let's go. it, here I think he could do better, but here he did better, like, for me. Like this screen, it's already beautiful, but this one, ChatGPT fixed it. Can I move back? Perfect, perfect. And if I click this one, okay, let's say if I click this one, dun 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 dun, again, dun 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 dun, this one. I'm just checking that he's not randomly. Yeah, it's actually perfect, perfect, perfect. It's very nice. I like it. I don't know. I feel like it's with dignity done. Ready? Summary ready. Good. Let's try. And then I will feed two databases to Cursor. And we will, okay, puzzles, this. Is it even green? It's just not the one that I solved. So look how badly it looks now. Total mess. Total mess. You guys need to already to download my game. This is it. And also this one. No hesitation. No hesitation. Okay. Okay. Cursor is promising me that the fix is done. Puzzles. Why is it black? Well, it's very weird. And why is it on first one? I didn't solve. Have I solved this one in 3 moves? And where I moved it? Don't remember. Well, let's start firstly. Let's fix it, fix it, fix it. Are you done? Then we're gonna pick up and try to win one more, but it's quite hard to win. Like to get a proper step, for me it's super hard. So we go to puzzles, find the best move. Oh yeah, it's working. Okay, let's try to play some. How we play this one. This is good. This is correct. That's what you gave me? Wow. So have I solved this one? Okay. It's actually showing. It's actually showing properly. So I solved this one? Yes. All right. It's so good. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. It's actually working. And I'm actually happy that I managed to solve some stuff. Okay. Commit the changes. Very, very happy. Very, very cool. Great. Let's take a look now on another databases. So let's start from one. We have here, in Android Studio, if I go made in one step, so I will give this to him. And I will say, I passed to you. Made in one step DB. Can you please use it? Same as the one you did for, we have here, find the best move. Find the best move, but locate this game under the made in one step button. And then we will implement the one that is like no solutions. Probably we will need to notify that, like, I had a positions, but there is kind of like no provided solution, because this game I have a solution. Like for those games of chess in here, like let's say if I play this one and I don't know how to play, I click show solution and I actually can see how. Wait. It's a bug. If I place a solution, you should not mark it as done. You have one bug. If a user used play solution for the game, we should not mark game as solved. This is for the next stuff. Like when it flipped. change the model. So now it should work better. Checking slowly what it's doing. Seems that it's already trying to build. The next game would be harder to do because it's not like there are no solutions for it, and it should be like in the middle of the game, just a normal game, but the chesses are already located in some position. Chesses, figures. Great, it's fixing the bug for solution. I guess I can already run to see if a second game was implemented. My second database. Let's see. Puzzles made in one step. Tick. Oh, wow. One move to win. White to move. Okay, white to move. Well, I guess this is it. What? But if I go here, he cannot. He should go here, right? Why not? This one. No, it cannot be. Okay, show me solution. In here? Ah, okay, yes, it's true. All right. All right, okay, let's see if but it marks that I solved it. It's wrong. It should not be like this. Probably it's not done yet. So it is. Okay, I'm gonna mate in one step. Ah, this was a mate in one step. So it's perfectly working. Great. Yes. It's run, and then we're gonna add a third database. No? So now it's not marking. Great, it's not marking. So I'm gonna say commit the changes. Please, if user eventually clicked on show solution, don't even show the done icon on the board top left corner. check the screenshot. Just show the, just not show it there, but only in case user used the show solution button, right? And we have then a third database, which would be slightly harder, which is no solutions. This one, it's a bit shorter, but it's already ready, good to play. Let's take a look. Run. Great. Now let's implement the, which one is this? Which is called Creative Battle. Creative Battle mode, comma. This DB has no solution, but basically this mode should work like a normal game with opponent computer, but starting from the position that is already presented on the board. If user wins a game, then mark it with the green icon also. Okay, this would be the next one. Da-da-da-da-da. This case is done, and we do the third game. Let's take third database. Wow, so many stuff we did today. So happy. So I guess we're gonna be ready for another release today. Nice. Not sure why we always show consent, which is not good. Anyway, here. So I'm gonna already make a screenshot of this one. And let's see. Marked, perfect, but that's too easy. Let's try 3 moves. Okay, show me solution. Okay. So basically I'm gonna see here the solution. Right. And see if it's gonna, good. And it marked perfect, 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 perfect. It's working very, very good. And our ChatGPT is working. So I can, meanwhile, prepare my screenshots a bit more, right? Great. Let's go to Figma. We're gonna do the release. Well, what we have here, we have those screenshots, and probably I would need to add solve chess puzzle is what I had. Share your result. I'm gonna just write different puzzle training. And we're gonna add to, where is my screenshot? This one or this one? Right. And maybe here I'm gonna say something like win. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT. Okay. Something like this must be all right. And pum 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 pum, we have is done. Are you ready? Not fully. Okay, so unlimited puzzles. Here probably I want to move it like this, and this probably chess puzzles. This is like this. Good. So we're gonna add a couple more of screenshots, and that's all. Wow, this database probably was huge, the one that I passed to him. Where is it? Oh no, not that much. It was all right. With one step, this one is big. Yeah. Let's take a look. How long you gonna do it? How much I stream already? For almost 2 hours. Well, it would be the last stuff that I do, and then I would sign my application and we will proceed. Let's take a look. He's just rewriting the whole stuff, so it looks very good. I'm very happy. He's rewriting the whole database. Hey, down. Let's see. And then I have a lot of other ideas, but I probably gonna stop. I also actually provoked some pop-ups for Rate My App for reverse audio game, and I hopefully will get some users feedback, because the reverse audio game is the number one of the games that are being downloaded right now. I will see like any kind of feedback from people. Maybe I can improve it somehow. So I wanted, after I maybe gonna do a couple of more ideas, I will concentrate purely on promoting my current application, to maybe to have just one more that will pop up on the background of all other applications that I did. And I have I have Dreidel and grapes application, which would be seasonal. So I will wait for for Hanukkah and for New Year to get popular, to increase the popularity of these ones. Let's see. Oh, how long are you gonna write it all? It's just a little bit. So not that big. How long you writing this? Let's take a look. Where is it? Creative Battle. This one. Oh, no. Oh my God, the window is terminated because you could not. What? Okay, let's try. Let's see. Good. Worked too much. It burned out. Well, at least it's launching. Now we're gonna be easily observing why. Okay, so puzzles, creative bottle. We are crashing. Are we crashing on this? What? What are you talking to me about? How dare you to crush? La, what are you doing? Probably it's not finished anything what wanted to do. So it was trying to save it in here, but it couldn't, right? So here we wrote those with no problems. And now we're gonna try to do it again. Anyway, I would need, where is it? Where is my stream? In 4 minutes, I would need to finish my stream. It would be 2 hours starting with this Streamlabs. Oh my God, so annoying. But what can we do? The more time passes, the more I think that I look like Einstein. So with my hair. Great, so you fixed it? Hopefully. Let's take a look. How long is this? All right. Okay, consent. Team, creative bottle. It should work just normally. Great. It is. Well, okay, thank you for... but you want me to lose just like this? Wait a second. Okay, maybe I have a hope here. So... Oh, actually, I'm in a winning position in here. So I'm gonna go and take you here. My turn, I'm going to... wait, I cannot take because my... Oh, wow. I basically can only run away. And I can take this. And you trying to... I'm gonna go here. You know what I'm gonna do? I don't care. You try to get me and I'm just gonna go up. And up. Oops. Well, I want to make this happen. Fuck! I didn't notice it. I was just like, I should have run away or taken the bishop earlier, but I don't care. Why you run away from me now? It's going to be forever game. They should end the game like forever loop game. We already all know about this. Anyway, so this is working. This is pretty much perfect. This is good. This is good. I'm ready to do release. So we're gonna commit this. And I need to finish my stream. Yeah, my hair like Einstein hair. I will, guys, I have 2 views on Twitch. I still gonna try to rate you to the very first person I see. I'm really sorry today for Streamlabs issue. I never meant to. For millions of push notification, I'm sorry. It's fixed now. Microphone is fixed. I'm very happy. So rating you. Bye. And the same for people on YouTube. Thank you so much for joining. The chests are done. We did a great job and we will proceed soon. Mwah. See you. How to end go offline, just go, oh, good, this I did. And on OBS, I know how to do it. Mwah.